Welcome to another day in paradise. Welcome to El Nicho, which is a set of different waterfalls and also an outlook onto the highest lake within all of Cuba. We are on our way to Trinidad. Alongside the road, like with a short detour, there is this beautiful place, but it comes with quite a story. I'm going to tell you that, and then we're going to explore. So first thing happened this morning was our host for the accommodation we stayed in. I was paying and he was like, okay, it's something like $80, and that's converted with 170 pesos per dollar, which is quite a bad rate, and that made us almost run out of money. And then we took a car here, and before we left off, our host told us, okay, that is going to be $20 per person. And within the ride, the driver suddenly changed the price and was like, okay, it's $50 for the both of you. And I'm really annoyed of that. And also with the rate that he wanted to give us, it is more money that we have left, and he refused to drive us to a bank, so we still have to figure out how we are going to pay for this trip. And then before you come here, you have to pay further down the road. The entrance fee is $10 per person, and they were quite annoyed as well when I said that I only have Cuban pesos, and even when I wanted to pay with card, they seemed to be quite pissed off. I don't know why. It is totally frustrating. As I said, we have to find a bank and we have to figure out with him what we're gonna pay, because like it's just $5 per person, but I think it's just not right just to change prices while you're on the street. Like, it doesn't work like that for me, at least. I don't know, how is it for you? What would you do, or what would you have done? Maybe leave it down in the comments below. Will be too late for me, but maybe for next time or for other travelers. As I said, now we're going to enjoy the beauty of this place. Let's go. We made it to Trinidad in the end. The taxi driver, he wanted us to pay at El Nicho, and he was like, only euros accepted. Then our co-drivers and the people that we shared the car with, they jumped in and were like, okay, we're going to pay for you and you can pay us back later. And they had like a $50 bill, and there was just a little cut in it, and the driver was looking at it and he was refusing it at first, and then he kind of thought about it and then he accepted it in the end. Kind of weird. Like, it is really hard. It's something to consider as well. They will not accept any wrinkled bills or something like that here, so be aware of that when you come here. Just get fresh, brand new, crisp bills. And yeah, then we drove here, we paid them back and went to the restaurant with them, and yeah, we paid for their cocktails as a thank you. And now today we are going to have another great adventure, but that's going to be for the next video, so make sure to hit the subscribe button down there if you haven't already, to take part in that adventure as well. And if you liked the video or found it helpful, leave a like, maybe to make us feel better. Yesterday that was really a bummer. I really was angry and frustrated at times, and that kind of, yeah, ruined the experience. I guess it's a little our fault for not taking enough cash in foreign currency, but yeah, I think in a country they should accept their own currency, otherwise they make it kind of useless and destroy their own money, which is a shame and isn't good for the country, I guess. But yeah, online we only had information about, okay, dollar bills are not allowed in this country, and that's why we took none. Lesson learned and hardly paid. But yeah, that's it for today. See you in the next one. Until then, enjoy. Make better choices than we did this time, and meet friendly people that will help you out and that you can share dinner with. Bye bye.